How to log in Facebook account without email and phone number. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app. Or you need to visit the Facebook login page in your browser. If you have created a unique username for your account, you can use it to log in instead of your email or phone number. You can enter your username in the email or phone field and type your password to log in. So in case if you don't remember your username or password, tap forgotten password on the login screen and you can select an option to recover your account using trusted contacts. Facebook will guide you through the process. You can even go to Facebook account recovery page, enter your name or friend's name or other details to search your account. If else, you can report your login issue directly to Facebook and provide proof or identity like an ID to regain access. For a demo, let's enter the credentials. Now tap login button and after waiting for a while, you will directly land on your Facebook home feed. So that is how we can easily log into your Facebook account without email or phone number. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.